Hello and welcome to our channel, Tech Expert Tutorials. In today's video, we will show you how you can download and run the Llama 3 model from Meta for free on your desktop. First, we will be installing the Ollama application. We get this from the Ollama website, which also stores and provides users with free open source models. Then we will use the Ollama application to download the Llama 3 open source model locally on your desktop. By the way, the model we will show you today will work for any model available on Ollama, not just Llama 3. Okay, let's get started by going to the Ollama website. No need to sign in to get the application, just click on the download button directly. By default, Windows has been detected and already selected. Click on the download for Windows button. This will download the Ollama application that is used for running and downloading the model. When it's finished, run the file that was downloaded. This will install the application in the directory shown. After that, a window will pop up. Click on it. The Ollama application runs from a shell, so now you should see a DOS command prompt window. Here, you can either run a model directly or you can manually download it, then run the model. Either way is fine. We will download and run separately. To verify the application is installed correctly, type in Ollama. You should see a help screen like this. To find a model to download, get the name from this website or by clicking on the models menu at the top. You can search for your model. The top one is the one that we want. Click on the link. Click on the size of the model. This number is the number of parameters that was used to build the model. We like the 3 billion parameter option. It is accurate and small enough to fit on our local drive. This will take around 2 gigabytes of storage. Copy the command from the clipboard in the middle. Then paste that command into the DOS prompt that opened up earlier. Notice that we changed the command from a run command to a pull command. We'll do the run command later. This will take around 15 minutes, depending on your network speed. When the download finishes, type in the Ollama list to see what has been installed so far. The output will look similar to this. Now we are ready to run the model. Type in Ollama, run, then the name of the model. A prompt will appear. You can type in your questions here. For testing, we ask it a simple math question. And we get back step-by-step details on how to solve this problem, along with the answer. This is very useful for debugging errors or wrong answers. Next, we throw the model a more complicated math question, including an equation and solving for a variable. The steps listed are longer, which makes sense. This is a more complicated question. To get back to the prompt, type in /exit, then hit return. Here is the location of the cached files for the model you have downloaded. You can go here to clean up older models or models you no longer use. Disk usage is a useful command to see how much disk space is used by the cache directory. Replace a path with yours. /h means human readable or in bytes. This is similar to the du command from Linux. From this video, you can see how easy it is to get started with using models such as Llama from Ollama for your own personal use. Check back with us later. We'll be creating videos that show more complicated examples of what this model is capable of, along with using other large language models. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching our video. As always, questions and comments are welcome. See you next time.